Good morning, Live Good affiliates. Happy Wednesday to you. My name is Nauder Khazan, the Director of Field Development for our family we so lovingly call Live Good. Real quick, first of all, I want to personally welcome thousands and thousands of brand new people that are joining our Live Good family daily, not monthly, not annually, daily. Why? Because people are so excited to get their hands on the most advanced nutritional products on earth, made by the best ingredients money can buy at pennies over cost. So that's Live Good. Ladies and gentlemen, as I mentioned, my name is Nauder Khazan, the Director of Field Development with Live Good. As you can tell, we're absolutely exploding. Last night, we launched our survey, phase one, just testing it out a little bit. So go out there, grab your survey link if you've been with us for a while. Even if you haven't been with us for a while, just send it to everyone that you know. Definitely take a survey yourself. And we're a very transparent company. I'm sure there's going to be a couple of glitches in it, but I'm so thankful for you all to be a part of this beautiful revolution we so lovingly call Live Good, allowing everyday people to get their hands on the most advanced nutritional products on earth, as I mentioned earlier, for pennies over cost. So you're brand new, you just joined our company. I'm going to give you a quick, fast start training and then go from there. Step number one, go to livegood.com and then log in. There's a little button on the top left corner, click login. Click on login, then as a member that you are, member affiliate, put in your username and your password. If you missed it somewhere, if you lost it, if you forgot what it is, click on login help and then choose any of those 3 or 4 options, and the company will send you back your login information to the email that you joined when you initially got involved with Live Good to take advantage of these life-changing products at pennies over cost. And if you want to share it with a few friends, you will get paid for doing so. We're very thankful for you to go out there, ladies and gentlemen, and share the love of Live Good with almost over 1.7 million people in less than 2 years. So you logged in, you're looking around. First things first, I strongly recommend you take your own survey. We just launched it last night. I'm not saying it's perfect. I didn't think that survey was going to be available till Thanksgiving, but good old Ben always under promises and over deliver. So definitely, ladies and gentlemen, log into your back office, take your own free survey. Your own free survey. That's the first thing you should do. And definitely order some of our products. As I mentioned, you're brand new. We got about 2,000 to 3,000, sometimes 4,000 brand new people a day joining our Live Good family to get their hands on these life-changing products made by the best ingredients money can buy, very close to cost. So you just got involved with us. A lot of you that are in the international market, over 70% of our 1.7 million family members of Live Good are international markets. So for you, we have what's called the International Wellness Pack. It has about roughly a 550 to, oh wait, that's a USA. There you go. We have the International Wellness Pack that it's less than $100 shipped to your door worldwide. Takes about a week or two to be delivered. It comes from our Germany warehouse. It has about a $475 value, and it comes with these life-changing products. These products, ladies and gentlemen, you get on these products for 2 months. And if you get a kick out of it, just stop taking it for a week and see how your body will miss them. So that's our International Wellness Pack. Most people that join Live Good, if they live in the international market, they order this from us. And as I have here on my little display, the other day, that's me. The other day, I was filling up the tank in my truck, and it was $175 to fill up my tank in my truck. That's me. Okay, so people are joining Live Good in the international market. They're getting the International Wellness Pack that has about a $400 to $475 value because of the level of the ingredients that we use, freshest ingredients on the marketplace. And if they even join at the same time, that's going to cost them less than a tank of gas cost me. Another one in the USA, you just got started with Live Good. A lot of you are waiting for your products to arrive. So we have the in the US, what we have. Well, we have everything, but we have the Ultimate Wellness Pack in the US, has a $550 to about a $600 value. So if people get this and get involved with the company as a side hustle, it costs less than filling up a tank of a gas. So pull about $600 worth of product, join the company, become a business owner in Live Good, meaning go out there and share the opportunity of Live Good that you can help your friends truly get their hands on the most advanced nutritional products on earth. 100% money back guarantee. And for one time $40, you can go out there. Sorry, my phone is blown off it's absolutely exploding since we our beta testing or our survey, our health survey. So again, I want to thank all of you for being a part of Live Good. You logged into your back office, you got your order coming your way. And what I want you to do right away, ladies and gentlemen, this is very important. As I mentioned last night, we launched a survey. I'm sure it's going to have glitches in it. But just go through it, take your own survey. It's very, very important. Take your own survey. But Ladies and gentlemen, we're getting about 5 to 10,000 people a day taking a tour of LiveGood. Some people in LiveGood use the tour page to share the opportunity. Some people use a regular LiveGood website. Some people use a shop LiveGood website. You have your own choice. You can use a Powerline page. You can use a product page. You can use whatever you want to pay. All we want you to do is get people on these life-changing products. And that's the foundation of LiveGood, is helping people to get healthy, stay healthy, do it in an affordable way. And just like Amazon started with books a few years ago, I don't know when it was, and now Amazon with 220 million Prime members, Amazon has everything almost. Well, we're only starting with the most advanced nutritional products on earth because everybody needs to get healthy, stay healthy, and do it in an affordable way. Before you know it, we will have everything on there. I'm not going to start showing you things, but I mean, household goods, skincare, travel, whatever you can think of that other network marketing companies in our industry put it back in the marketplace for 15 to 20 times the price that it costs so they can pay commissions and run operations out of it. We can bring it into this beautiful community, beautiful family we so lovingly call LiveGood. So I'm going to do a quick training for you because timing is so important. I want you to go out there while you're waiting for your products to arrive. And remember, it comes with 100% money back guarantee for 90 days. We don't ask you any questions. Take it for 2 months. Stop taking it for a week. If your body doesn't miss it like crazy, send it back. We'll give you all your money back. So you're waiting on your products to arrive. While you're waiting for your products to arrive, and one quick thing, speaking of products to arrive, if you're in the Ultimate Wellness Pack, right? If you just place your product order for 99 bucks, you have about a $400 story here because you just saved about 300 to 400, sometimes $500 on these products because they level the ingredients that Dr. Goodkin actually uses. That's life. That's what we're doing here. We're changing the way the commerce is done. We're bringing the most advanced nutritional products on earth to people at very, very close to cost. And that's why millions and millions of people will be a part of the Live Good revolution, because finally they can get their hands on these products very close to cost, made by the best ingredients money can buy. Why? Because unlike the traditional network marketing companies in the world, and the industry has been around since 1934, I did this quick search for you. There are 116 million people worldwide that are involved in network marketing. Network marketing started in 1934. It's a legitimate business. Over 110 million, 116 million people, depends on how you search, are involved in network marketing. It's a $201 billion a year industry. It's a legitimate industry. However, the way it started in 1934 was people making products for, let's say, $10. And then by the time it would make it to the end user, it'd be about $90. I'm going to give a quick example so you have a kind of a vision of how network marketing started and why LiveGood is such a fresh breath of air. And the proof is 3 out of 10 people that join almost immediately start telling their friends about LiveGood. Why? Because they found something amazing that they love, and they know their friends are not going to pay $100 for a CBD oil that costs $14 to make. Because other companies who do it, they make it for 14, they sell it for about 100, and they have Ferraris, they give away trips, they give away exotic trips, rings, all kinds of stuff at a cost of somebody paying $80, $90 for a CBD oil that costs $12 to make, which is fine. I mean, that model has been going on since 1934. And unfortunately, in that business model, people usually quit, and statistics don't lie, just like science doesn't lie, in less than 3 months. So in less than 3 months, people get involved. Let's take a look at this really quick. I'm going to move my camera forward for you. Okay, so I put this little display here for you. You got the ABC stores making a product for, let's say, $10, right? And by the time they mix it to the end user, going through the ABC stores warehouses, going through the ABC stores logistical things, going to, renting stores, paying employees. If it's being sold through doctors, nutritional products, a lot of them are sold through doctors. By the time a salesperson needs to make money, then the God forbid doctor needs to double their money. So, a $10 product even sells through doctors or ABC, grocery stores, vitamin stores, becomes 100. Okay. Network marketing started in 1934. They say, why don't we make the same product, but instead of running it through the distribution channels and, going through the warehouses and hiring employees and teenagers and getting kiosks as malls and so on and so forth and paying rent, why don't we just have friends telling friends, make the same product for $10, right? But having friends telling friends, the traditional network marketing, some people call it Jurassic Age MLM, make it for 10, same product, but instead of, renting, like I said, stores, vitamin stores, or paying doctors and paying salespeople to sell it to the doctors, and then doctor doubling their money to make that $10 product 100 like that one, instead of doing that one, we just have friends telling friends about it and make it 90. So it's not 100 anymore. So people saving a little bit of money. Now it's 90, and we pay commissions out of that. We give away pink Ferraris out of that, pink Lamborghinis, Cadillacs. We send people to trips, so on and so forth. Well, Ben Galinsky and I have been launching some of the biggest network marketing companies in the world. Some of them are still going, even though they're going like this. And believe you me, people usually leave these companies in less than 3 months. 2.8 months, they realize, why am I paying $90 for something that I can find on Amazon for 40? Right? So that's why these companies, and they're great. It's a $200 billion a year industry. We're not bad mouthing it, but they're dropping like hotcakes because people don't want to pay $90 for a product that costs $10. Yes, it's $10 less than a grocery store, but still, that's a lot of money. So what does LiveGood do? Very simple. We have, I believe, much better product made by much better ingredients, sold for less than $20, close to our cost. This actually costs us a lot more than these two because we can splurge on the ingredient level, and we bring it to you for less than $20, 100% money back guarantee. That's LiveGood. That's why one of the reasons we have 3 out of 10 people that join LiveGood almost immediately start telling their friends, because they're like, you know what, I got to tell my friends about this, especially knowing nobody's going to drive a pink Cadillac and go on exotic trips because my single mother friend is paying $80 for a CBD oil that costs $14 to make. We make the CBD oil better here because we don't have to have that 15-fold, 20-fold price, I don't want to say gouging, but price increase, just so some people on top of the compensation plan will get paid on it. That's LiveGood. It's very simple. Traditional stores make it for 10, sell it for 100 because they have to pay the grocery store manager, they have to pay the doctors, the sales reps. Network marketing started in 1934. They make it $10, made for $10, made for $10. These guys make it for $10. They give away pink Cadillacs, they give away trips, so on and so forth, pay commissions out of it, and it becomes 90. Unfortunately, in this model, people quit in less than 3 months. So it doesn't matter what's in this product, taking it for less than 3 months so some people can drive a pink Cadillac is not going to do anybody good. Well, for the same $90 in LiveGood, people can get the entire international wellness pack. For the same $99 in LiveGood, people can get the entire ultimate wellness pack. That comes with 100% money back guarantee, even if the bottles are empty in 90 days. That's LiveGood. So what you want to do today is take your own survey. We just launched it. Reach out to everyone that you know and say, hey, we just launched this new survey. Can you help me test it out? Send out your survey. Send out your survey to everyone that you know who can fog a mirror. Say, listen, take out my survey. Check out my survey. Maybe it will bless you. Nothing selling, but definitely take the survey yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, next thing I want you to do is reach out to in your back office, okay, and grab whichever page that you think your friends will respond to better. We've given you a lot of tools, and we just added this free health survey, which is another icing on the cake. I mean, like, we needed more help. 3 out of 10 people that join LiveGood, they can't wait to tell their friends about LiveGood. Why? Because in traditional network marketing companies, as I shared with you, companies make a product for 10. Where do they go? 10, right there. Sell it for 90. People quit in less than 90 days. We make it with much better ingredients. We spend more money on the product. We spend way more money on the product, right where it is, and we bring it to you at under $20 with 100% money back guarantee. Why? Because this one, we don't commission the tangible. What's the tangible? Here's our Shilajine. Guess what? You can touch it. This product is life-changing. This product, all of our products are life-changing. Our Factor 4, Ben Galinsky and I could have taken this Factor 4 alone to $100 million a month if it was a traditional old school network marketing companies that make products for about 1/15 of what they market to the distributors for. That's how amazing that is. But no, we make it, we bring it to you at very close to cost. Why? Because the product of LiveGood that we commission so generously, so lovingly, and so proudly, ready, is the membership. Our product is the membership. So how did LiveGood do this? Very simple. This is the tangible. You can touch it. We remove the compensation plan from the tangible. So we can spend the money on the most advanced, the most precious ingredients on earth. We can, as Ben said, we can splurge on ingredient levels because we don't have to have that 15-fold markup. So some people on top of the compensation plan can drive a Ferrari, but meanwhile, people are paying $90 for a product that costs about $13 to $14 to make. Well, their costs about $5 to make. Our costs about $14 to make because we use super high-end quality ingredients and we don't have to commission the tangible. See, this is a tangible. We don't commission this. Yeah, your first order when you come in, we reward the person that brought you to our family a little bit of money because that same amount of money we would have spent on social media to bring that person. Our model is to bless people. Our model is to love on people. So go out there, grab your tour page, grab your Shop Live Good website, grab your health assessment site, and send it to everyone that you know on planet Earth. Say, listen, this company is blessing me beyond measure. Or I just got started. I can't wait for my products to arrive. Do me a favor, take this free health assessment. Let me know if it can bless you. And if you're already with us, which you are, that's why you're on a Wednesday call, definitely take the health assessment yourself. Help us make it better. Ladies and gentlemen, Live Good will be the whole future of home-based business. We will have 30 to 50 million people by 2030. Just imagine if Jeff Bezos, the owner of Amazon, that now has 220 million people paying Amazon $14.95 a month. So if you buy a green that costs $4 to make, if you pay Amazon 100, you get free shipping out of it. But guess what? 220 million people are doing that. I want you to imagine that Live Good is Amazon. I want you to imagine is Live Good is Amazon when Amazon only had 1.5 million, 2 million people. Currently, Amazon has 220 million people paying Amazon $14.95 a month. Imagine Jeff Bezos would have told you that, hey, give me a one-time $40. You're already paying your Prime membership, and go out there and bring me Prime members. And every time you bring me a Prime member, and they bring me a Prime member, and they bring me a Prime member, I give you a percentage of the monthly membership forever. That's Live Good. Imagine if Jeff Bezos did that when Amazon only had 2 million Prime members. Now they have over 220 million people. That's what you earn if you're looking at Live Good as a side hustle. An opportunity to be on top of something. And I'm not talking about the spillover or anything. I'm talking about the ability to tell everyone that you know about Live Good that they haven't heard about it yet. Because if Amazon had an opportunity today to give Jeff Bezos or Amazon $40 to go bring them Prime members and make a percentage of their monthly Prime membership forever and ever and ever, and whoever they refer, opportunity is awesome. Thank you, Mr. Bezos, but it wouldn't be as awesome because now 220 million people in the world already are Prime members. There are less than 2 million people in Live Good, and our membership, our club membership, is much more valuable than Amazon, Costco, any other club membership in the world. Because look, for 33 cents a day, you can buy the most advanced nutritional products on earth, made by the best ingredients money can buy. But here's another important part: be trained by Lisa and Ryan, their creator, the authors, the creators of these products, for 33 cents a day. That's why Live Good is changing the world of network marketing, because the days of overpaying for nutritional products, so maybe some people on top of the comp plan will get paid on it, is over. This is the old way of doing network marketing. It's very simple. They make it for 10, they sell it for 90, they wonder why people quit in less than 3 months. And one product for $90 in Live Good, they get a whole shebang for $90. The difference is we don't commission the products. We commission the membership. We remove the compensation plan from the tangible. This is a tangible. So go out there, lovingly share the opportunity while you're waiting for your own products to arrive. And definitely take the free health survey. I forgot what it's called because it's so brand new. But ladies and gentlemen, there will be a day that when you go to your doctors, the doctors are going to say, make sure when you come, bring your last few Live Good orders. We will be a household name. The same way when you want to clean your window, you use a Kleenex. If you had a runny nose, you use Windex for the window, Kleenex for your nose, a Band-Aid for your boo-boo. Well, guess what? There will be a day that Live Good will be a household name. We are going through a presidential election right now in the U.S. One of the gentlemen that's running for presidential candidate, one of the presidential candidates, there was an assassination attempt on it a few months ago. He actually got nipped in the ear. In the crowd, in the frame, there's a gentleman wearing a Live Good hat. I'm not being political, but when we talk about you cannot unsee Live Good, you truly cannot unsee that we bring you the most advanced nutritional products on earth that other companies try to sell you for $90 so people can drive pink Cadillacs out of it. We bring you a much better one. Whoops, there they go. Much better, 100% money back guarantee. This is a difference. This is the future of commerce. This is old MLM. These people are dropping. People quit in less than 3 months. So where's your residual income if people are realizing they're being price cut? This is the future of commerce. And we're only starting with the most advanced nutritional products on earth. We'll have everything just like Amazon has. Timing is everything. The next 90 days, ladies and gentlemen, you got to go out there and tell everyone that you know about Live Good, because they're going to join Live Good through you or the company. God bless you all. Get on the products, love on the products, fill out your survey, and we'll see you on tomorrow's Zoom.